Ever pondered over the perfect vase for your blooms? It's more than just a container. It's an extension of their beauty. The right vase can transform a simple bouquet into a stunning centerpiece, while the wrong one can diminish even the most exquisite flowers. It's about matching materials, shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns to the types of flowers you have. It's also about maintaining your vase to prolong its life and keep your flowers looking their best. Choosing the right vase is an art, and it begins with understanding the basics. First things first, the material of the vase. It's not just about looks, it's about durability and compatibility with your flowers too. Glass, ceramic, metal, or plastic, each has its own charm and challenges. Remember, the right material can make a world of difference. Next, let's delve into shapes and sizes. Yes, they matter, and here's why. The shape and size of your vase can dramatically affect the presentation of your florals. Tall, slender vases accentuate long-stemmed beauties, while wider, shorter ones highlight lush, full blooms. Choose wisely, for the right shape and size can elevate your flowers from pretty to breathtaking. Now let's talk color. You may think it's just about personal preference, but there's more to it. Color and pattern play a huge role in vase selection. They must complement not only the flowers but also the room decor. So don't forget to color coordinate. After all, harmony is key in decor. Finally, let's touch upon vase maintenance. A well-cared-for vase can last you a lifetime. To keep your vase in top-notch condition, regular cleaning is key. Use a mild soap and warm water for most materials. To tackle stubborn grime or lime scale, a little vinegar can do wonders. Being mindful of where you place your vase can prevent damage too. Avoid areas prone to knocks or temperature fluctuations. Follow these simple steps, and your vase will continue to shine. And there you have it, folks. The perfect vase isn't elusive anymore. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. The material, shape, size, and color of your vase can dramatically affect the presentation of your flowers. Don't forget the importance of regular maintenance for longevity. Remember, the perfect vase is out there waiting for you. So go ahead and let your flowers bloom in style.